Hello and welcome to another FPS video. And today we are going to talk about a private jet. But don't worry, it's not as private as he thinks. And that's because if you have been following this channel, then you already know that by tracking that registration code, you can learn some things about the aircraft. And so we learned that this one is a Cessna Citation 680A, a 2-year-old aircraft operating for NetJets Europe, who happens to be the world's leading private jet company. And that's it. Be kind and generous and keep your eye in the sky.